going on, YouTube? You know, it's me back at it again. As you can tell, new settings, new locations. I'm now in Atlanta. A lot of shit been going on in my life. You won't be seeing too much of my little brother no more. But yeah, we transitioning, man. As you can see, I'm wearing the Warren Lotas shirt I had on in the last video. I like the shirt. The shirt looks swaggy, man. You see me, man? Look at this. You ain't even seen the whole drip and shit, but you gonna see the drip, man. You gonna see the drip, man. As you can see, I'm finally wearing an outfit. You know, I don't really show y'all my outfits because I be showing y'all too much of my outfits. You feel me? But shit, man. We back. New locations, like I said. Transitioning my life. We doing different things. Don't pay too much to the background right now because it's going to change. But yeah, let's get into this unboxing. This is a playoff on the other video that I did. I told y'all I want a free shirt from Warren Lotas. Finally came in. 3-4 months later, whatever. We know it's slow with this process. It's okay. I've gotten used to it. It was free, you feel me? Cool. And another reason why I'm excited to do this damn unboxing is because I just had a dream about this shit last night. And my dream, I was pissed when I opened this damn package. So let's see what's going to happen now that I'm awake. In my dream, though, it was like, bruh, I opened the package. You see how small this damn package is? This is a shirt package. In my dream, I opened the package. It was 2 hoodies in a joint. Looked like D-Lone with damn Warren Lotas symbols on the joint. I was heated, bro. I'm like, what the fuck is this? But hey, it's clearly not a hoodie. It's a t-shirt. I was clearly dreaming. On my IG, I posted all the shirts, and I let everybody else pick the shirt, my free shirt. I think y'all did a good job of picking this one. I didn't think this joint had any color on it. He called it the Time S PRS Limited Edition t-shirt. I don't know if y'all, it's not gonna focus. I ain't gonna worry about that too much. It's just the wrapper. He finally has his own warning on his wrapping. That's alright. Niggas making improvements and shit. So, first look of it is probably the same little joint. Cool, you feel me? I like the same character with different swag, you hear me? I like this shirt. It say time is precious. Got the man with the hourglass. Showing a little swag. I like the little pop of color with the blue. You really can't see it too much, but the sword is green. Got hints of green with white stripes on it. That joint alright. But yeah, just like I said, man, it's gonna be a quick video. I'm just showing y'all the shirt, showing y'all some new shit. I haven't really been ordering shit because it's like I said, I've been transitioning. But we're gonna get back into this shit. Hopefully y'all miss me out there on the YouTube. Oh yeah, I ain't even show y'all my swag, bro. I ain't show you swag, bro. You hear me? Listen. Everybody sleep on this damn shoe right here. This is one of the most comfortable shoes you will ever put on your feet. And bro, like, come on, bro. That joint hard. Like, come on, bro. There you go. I'm gonna focus in on this shoe because this shoe is hard, shawty. I don't fuck with nobody say. Yay. I need the other colors. I don't know how I missed the drops. But yay, when you see this, because I know you're going to see this, I need more 500 highs, bro. All I got is the OGs and these joints. I need them little light blue joints. Oh my God, I need them joints. But yeah, just as always, you know, I show y'all what came in the mail. I'm gonna show y'all how to put it together. I mean, it's a shirt. Really ain't got too much error to go wrong with this. But hey, we're gonna get into it.
Oh, you better move. Oh, you better move. 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 Louis my shoes. Pull out my whip on 22. I saw your girl. I had to scoop. Just like a bird. She gonna swoop. Necklace I choose. Might catch the flu. Banana clip. Straight from the zoo. I'm like, Mother Goose. If I say shoot, they gonna shoot. No, I'm rude. Yeah, my shows, they bust right through the roof. Saw your crowd at your concert on snooze. I'm a dog, bitch, I holler at the moon. I remember when I didn't have cable. That was back when I used to watch Zoom. Let's go. I don't ever want to talk about it. I don't ever want to see you. Everybody, they can chase you now. Let me see what the cheese do. Call my phone, no one answer me. And I told the girl, don't go out back. Drip, splash, I can just start style. Yeah, I pick the bitch up, but I'm in a wrong back.
So as always, as we end out the video, I mean, y'all know I show y'all, I unbox it, put it on, show y'all some swag with some little music, you feel me? Now, as y'all see, I'm doing different things. I told y'all I'm transitioning. We're going to add new stuff to this page. About to start doing podcasts. Everybody telling me to do podcasts. I'm going to show y'all some more of my artwork. As always, follow me on Instagram, theblackkenn. If you want to follow my photography page, it's codeachrome.kenn. KODACHROMEKENN.
It was we had to close the store because Savage had the 21
Yeah.
he wore second.
Uh-huh.
So